Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of r and s is if we have r square minus s square equals to 9 and we solve this problem for all the values of r and s. So here you remember one thing is that our r and s should must be belongs to n, or here n is denotes that the set of natural number. It means that we solve this problem for the natural values of r and s. So here the very first thing we are going to do is here first we need to focus into the left hand side, and here we apply the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have r square minus s square is equals to r minus s times of r plus s is equals to 9. And now you see here in the left hand side we have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So now here first we need to find the possibilities in which we get the product of two natural numbers becomes 9. So the possibilities are 3 times 3 becomes here 9, and here further we have 1 multiplied by 9 is equals to 9, and 9 multiplied by 1 is also equals to 9. So we have these are the three possibilities in which we get the product of two natural numbers becomes 9. So here we need to first make the relation between these two factors, and here we know about that our first factor, that is r minus s, is always less than or equals to r plus s. So it means that here we choose those factors or those pair of natural numbers in which the first pair is less than the second pair, first pair is less than or equals to the second pair. So you see here this pair is less than or equals to 3, so we choose this one, and this one is less than 9, so we also choose this one. But here if you see that this pair, so here our 9 is greater than 1, so we rejected this case. So here we have these are the two possibilities in which we can choose our right hand side. So now we divide our this question into the two cases. So here we will write our case number 1, and in case number 1 we compare our left hand side with this 3 and 3, and it will be written as r minus s times of r plus s is equals to 3 multiplied by 3. And now here in the next step we compare both of the sides, and we will write here r minus s is equals to 3, and the second equation is r plus s is also equals to 3, and we call this is equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So here for the values of r and s we need to solve these two simultaneous equations. So first we find the value of r, and for this we need to sum equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here we just add these two equations, and you see here this is minus s and this is plus s are cancelled out by each other, and we get here this is r plus r becomes 2 times of r, and here we have 3 plus 3 becomes here 6. So here in order to find the value of r we need to divide both of the sides by 2. So when we divide by 2 it will be written as in this form, and now you see here we have this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we will get here our r is equals to these are cancelled out by each other, and we get 2 times 3 becomes 6. So we easily get the value of r is equals to 3. So this is the value of r, and now here we need to find the value of s corresponding to this value of r, so that here we substitute this value of r into the equation number 1. So here when we put r equals to 3 in equation number 1, so it will be written as, so first we copy down equation number 1. Here it is r minus s is equals to 3, and when you put this value here it will becomes 3 minus s is equals to 3, and this implies that here we move this minus s to the right hand side and 3 to the left hand side, so it will becomes 3 minus 3 is equals to s. So from here we get the value of s is equals to 0. So here you see that our r is equals to 3, and this means that r belongs to n because r is a natural number. But if this is s is equals to 0, and we know that 0 is not a natural number, so it means that our s is not belongs to n. So it means that from first case we will get the value of r is natural but the value of s is not natural. So for this we just get both of these values are natural, so that's why we rejected this case. And now here we move towards our second case, and in second case we again compare our left hand side with these two pairs. Okay, so we compare these two factors with 1 and 9. So here first we write our above equation here, so it will be written as r minus s times of r plus s is equals to, so here our second factor is 1 multiplied by 9. And now here we again create two equations from here. So the first equation is r minus s is equals to 1, and the second equation is r plus s is equals to 9. So these are the two equations, and we call this is our equation number 3 and this is our equation number 4. So we again solve these two equations and we get the values of r and s. So here first we sum up equation number 3 and equation number 4, and you see here this is negative as are cancelled out by each other, and we get here r plus r becomes 2 times of r, and 1 plus 9 becomes here 10. So for the values of r we need to remove this 2 from left hand side. For this we divide both of the sides by 2. This 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we get here our r is equals to, this is 2 times of 5 becomes 10. So here we get the value of r is equals to 5. So now here in the next step we need to find the value of s corresponding to this value of r. So for this we need to copy down equation number 4 here. So our equation number 4 implies that r plus s is equals to 9, and here we put the value of r, that is 5 plus s is equals to 9, and here we move this 5 to the right hand side and we get the value of s is equals to 9 minus 5, and 9 minus 5 becomes here 4. So this is the value of s, and you see here the value of r is equals to 5. So you see that in this case both of these two values are natural numbers. Okay, both of r and s belongs to n. So this means that these are the two natural values of r and s, which is the required solution of the given equation. This is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.